Good morning everyone. The gap between science and heritage is bridged by medicine. Application of scientific knowledge to human health is driven out by the doctors. So today on the eve of Doctors' Day, we thank all the doctors. As we all know, it is the hardest and toughest profession. A life of a person depends upon the doctor. That's why it is considered the profession next to God. They serve our society without any timing restrictions. To reward their hard work, we celebrate Doctors' Day on 1st July on the death and birth anniversary of legendary doctor Bidhan Chandra Rai. A doctor is responsible for looking after the society in various methods. Some doctors are general physicians, while some are specialized in surgery or pediatric department. So on these occasions of Doctors' Day, we David Hare Public School wishes all the doctors around the world and pray for their happy, healthy and prosperous life. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। भारत में 1 जुलाई का दिन प्रत्येक वर्ष डॉक्टर दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। यह दिन पौराणिक चिकित्सक डॉक्टर बिधान चंद्र राय के जन्म और मृत्यु दिवस के लिए मनाया जाता है। यह दिन चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में अनेक उनके योगदान के सम्मान में मनाया जाता है। समाज में डॉक्टर का बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण स्थान होता है। डॉक्टर बीमार लोगों का इलाज करते हैं। डॉक्टर स्वास्थ्य से संबंधित उचित सलाह भी देते हैं। डॉक्टर रोगियों का इलाज अस्पताल अथवा उनके पर्सनल क्लिनिक में भी करते हैं। डॉक्टर को हिंदी में चिकित्सक तथा वैद्य भी कहा जाता है। डॉक्टर के गले में एक स्टेथोस्कोप लटका रहता है। सभी डॉक्टर सफ़ेद रंग का कोट पहनते हैं। प्रत्येक वर्ष 1 जुलाई को भारत में डॉक्टर दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर रोगियों को अपना जीवन समर्पित कर देते हैं। हमें सभी डॉक्टरों का सम्मान करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Welcome everybody. All we know that today is a gala day in the medical science history in India. The day is celebrated in the memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, the former Chief Minister of West Bengal and also the legend doctor of modern in Bengal as well as India. All we know that there is no nobler profession than a doctor. A doctor has greater opportunities for doing good to mankind. A doctor relieves the patient of their pain and cures their illness. In this way, doctors serve the mankind. He maintains welfare motive to serve the poor and distressed without any self-interest. The soldiers guard the border of our country to protect our country from the enemies, like a hunter. But sometimes they are in danger and also wounded. At once, doctors treat them with heartiness and they recover soon. As the soldiers serve the country, doctors also serve the people. They are none but God to the dying people. Last 2 years, there was a pandemic situations like COVID-19, but doctors sacrificed their lives and the patients were cured. So, undoubtedly, they were the pathfinder of the patients to recover. We salute them and we are so proud of them. Oppositely, our great tribute to them who had died. We pray to God that their soul may rest in peace. They are the glory of our country. Last 2 years we celebrated the day through online mode, but this year we have to celebrate the day. Our dear students and also their guardians help us to celebrate the day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Anika Sabnam. I read in Standard 3. On this special occasion of Doctors' Day, I am here to give is one of the most toughest profession is doctor. We face various healthy issues during our lifetime. I wish all the doctors a healthy life.
I am here to understand importance of Doctor's Day. 1st July is celebrated as the Doctor's Day in India. Doctors is very important in society. Doctors help person to relieve from pain and suffering. He caused different types of disease and different types of person without any discrimination. Different types of doctors like dentist, child, chemist, etc. We wish all the doctors has healthy and good life on this special day. Thank you everyone.
आज डॉक्टर डे है, उसमें मैं डॉक्टर के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। डॉक्टर बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं। डॉक्टर हमें कोरोना और बाकी सारे रोगों से बचाते हैं। डॉक्टर इसलिए बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं। डॉक्टर बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं क्योंकि डॉक्टर हमें हर रोग और हर प्रॉब्लम से बचाते हैं।
I am Mayuk Maiti, class 5. Today is 1st July. It is the birthday of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was a famous doctor. To honor him, we observe this day as the National Doctors Day. Doctors save our life, so we should be grateful to them.
Good morning everyone. My name is मौसम कुमारी. I reading in class 7. आप सभी को पता है कि आज डॉक्टर्स डे है। हर साल 1 जुलाई डॉक्टर बिधन चौधरी रॉय के जन्म और मृत्यु के दिन के लिए डॉक्टर्स डे मनाते हैं ताकि हर कोई हमारे जीवन में डॉक्टरों को भूमिका महत्व समझ सके। ये एक पेशा है जो बहुत महान माना जाता है क्योंकि मुसीबतों के घड़ी में ये डॉक्टर्स ही होते हैं जो हमारे जान बचाते हैं। आज डॉक्टर्स डे है। आज डॉक्टर्स डे की इस शुभ अवसर पे मैं सभी डॉक्टरों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ और उनका स्वस्थ जीवन का प्रार्थना करती हूँ। थैंक यू।